everyone, today we are going to prepare a rich, decadent and delicious plum cake. This moist cake is flavored with spices and lots of dry fruits which are soaked in wine. To start with, we caramelize the sugar for getting the dark color for our cake. Take a pan, add 50 grams of sugar and a tablespoon of water. Keep it on medium heat for 15 minutes, after which the sugar will start caramelizing. At this stage, you can start stirring with a spatula, and when the sugar is fully caramelized, switch off the heat. Now turn the heat on and add 1 cup of lukewarm water and stir it as the sugar gets crystallized. Be careful, move your face back as it will splash. Keep on stirring as the crystallized sugar is fully dissolved. Keep it boiling for another 10 minutes. Our caramel syrup is ready. Switch off the flame and keep it aside to be cool to room temperature. Now it's time to prepare our cake batter. We have taken out the dry fruits which we soaked in alcohol 2 weeks before. I have taken here 1 cup. You can add even more as this is the major ingredient for this cake. Add 2 eggs and sugar into a large mixing bowl. Here I have added brown sugar, but you can use normal white sugar. And beat the mixture until it becomes soft and fluffy. If you are adding butter, add it first before the sugar and eggs. For this recipe, I am adding vegetable oil instead of butter and it's added now. And beat the mixture again. Now sieve the dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, salt, clove powder, cinnamon powder and cardamom powder, and sift it together. Add 1 orange zest into the mixture and beat the mixture again. Adding caramel syrup now and beating again. Adding nutmeg powder and vanilla essence, as I forgot to add it before, and beat the mixture. Finally, adding our soaked dry fruits and fold it until well combined. Preheat the oven for 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Now pour the batter into a greased baking mold. And tap the batter to remove any excess air bubbles. You could decorate the cake with nuts of your choice. I like cashew so I am decorating with cashew. Place the cake batter in the preheated oven for 45 minutes to 1 hour. After 45 minutes, insert a toothpick. If the toothpick is coming out clean, our cake is done. This cake would weigh around 900 grams with these ingredients. You can take it out and let it cool down completely. If you want, brush the cake with alcohol every day until Christmas, as this will give the rich taste of plum cake. This cake will last for long since it has alcohol added in it. Watch my previous video on soaking dry fruits in alcohol. The link is given below in the description box. Merry Christmas to all. Enjoy your holidays. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.